little monkey comes down. Hello, Dinos.
Hello, Juniors. Good job, Junior. Are you ready?
Let's go. For little monkey, he is having a puff time. Little monkey, please say and made and angry. Calm down, little monkey. It's okay to cry. Calm down, little monkey. Cuddle with your monkey. Calm
Good job.
down, little monkey. Take a deep
Breath.
calm down, little monkey. Sing a quiet song.
Good job, Junior. Next page.
Down, little monkey. Be still and relax. Feeling better, little monkey. See Mark. Now let's have a fun day.
We did it! You did it, Junior! You did it!